First of all, I just want to say that I exited the market. I've left. I've took profit. I'm happy. I'm going to keep my money under the bed and reevaluate the situation. Hi, welcome back to Family Investment. It's been a while on my talking head video, but I thought I'd come back and share with you my perspective on the market. But before I go, I'm not scaremongering. I'm not saying that it's going to be a crash. There are reasons for it. First, I am tired, I'm fatigued. Why? I've entered back in the market around about November, December, saw the great dip, January, February, March, thinking it was the stupid dumbest thing ever, and then things started going back up. So I've had 3 portfolios. I planned for it, I executed, and it's done me well. So I started my option trading portfolio and huge capital I allocated, went in, and that yielded me 40% year to date. So up to 1st of September, I have 40% up on that portfolio. I'm really happy. 40% up, kind of small fall. And then on my swing trading portfolio, which I buy low, sell high, the one that my comfort food, those were up 70% year to date, doing different various, not holding, buy low, sell high, looking at the indicators, buy at the right point, sell at the right point. So I'm timing market, 70% up, I'm happy. But the ones I spent the least time, I was buying on the dip, on technical dips, on my LISA, on my retirement account, on my kids account, which you don't really have to touch. And those were up 90%. And you know, when I sit back, I think, seems like the less I do, the more I get. So where did I go wrong here? So it's time to reevaluate, take a seat back, take a rest, look at all my notes because I've been journaling, I've got Notion, I write procedures, I'm getting a bit obsessed, trying to get systematic in place to make money end of the day, and because I enjoy it. But I know I've taken out the trading, the retirement is still being in place, the kids are still being in place, but everything else will be out. But I have opened an eToro account 2 months ago. I knew that this was going to come, just to keep my itchy fingers in the plate that I'm not leaving. I'm still watching, but I'm not doing heavy trading because I'm keeping profit to see where we are. So eToro, I'm still alive there. But in long term view, I'm bullish. But short term view, we are at a standstill. We are at a crossroad. You know the crossroad where you're at the junction, you're waiting for a train to go, or is there an airplane following? We don't know. We're at a crossroad. Why? Because now we come to a point where there's no real reason to go up. I don't see any real reason to go up even higher because it takes time. If you go up even higher, then alarm, something's going wrong. But then again, I don't see the real reason we're going to go lower. I don't see the real reason that we go lower than the bottom that we had previously, back in the November, December period. But we're at a crossroad waiting for something to happen. But I'm focused on the business fundamental. That's what's going to tell me everything. Q2 earnings have done well, okay? Everybody agree? Amazon, Google, Netflix, Facebook, Nvidia, everybody has done well. But when they've done well, it's because when they back last year in Christmas, they lowered the Q2 earnings because they knew of inflation, high interest rates. And they beat it. They've proven that those were not necessary. Back to normal. But then Q3, they've propped it back up. So now I'm watching Q3 propped up. Are they going to beat it? Less likely. They're going to just hover on that Q3 propped up. But what I'm waiting for is the Q4. What they're going to be spending on, what they're going to be focused on, and what's generating the real profit, and where they're going to cut their OPEX and CAPEX. That's where I'll be watching. So, but overall, I've got a little portfolio set in place. I've got this little growth that watch list that I'm doing. I've got my AI generative list that I'm watching. I've got my other Tesla and all that list that I'm watching. But then I'm now into the belief that concentration portfolio might not be a great idea because it's so risky. It goes up so high, you might prop and pop down. So a handful of 7, 8, 9 stocks, a bit of the DCA, diversifying into various sectors should be great. So this is me coming back, sharing, hopefully more in the future. I'll share a bit more what I see. But then I'm on Twitter, I'm on eToro, I'm still there speculating the market like everybody else. But then again, it's no harm to take profit. It's no harm to put money in the bed because I've never seen anybody bankrupt from taking profit. If it goes even higher, then fine. I buy a momentum, which I'm comfortable with. But for now, sitting back, watch the market. September might be quiet. I think we will still beat September on the net, but it's going to go in a bowl. That's my prediction. I could be wrong. Do your own assessment. Do your own research. But at the end of the day, be safe, guys. Have a good day. Leave your comments below if you want to chat. I'm always on Twitter if you need me. Take care. Have a good day.
I hope you enjoyed that video. Check out our website linked below. More videos up here.
Bye.
Bye.